Do you want an effective all-purpose cleaner that costs less than 15 cents a bottle? Keep listening and I'll tell you how. I'm Julia Stewart, and today I'm going to tell you about making your own cleaning supplies with just 4 common household items. It will save you money and reduce the amount of harmful chemicals in your home. You will need to buy good quality spray bottles that will fit in your cleaning caddy. Then you want to label the bottle clearly with its contents and with the solution ratio for an easy reference when you need to refill the bottle. Now, all you need is liquid dish soap, vinegar, baking soda, and bleach. For an all-purpose cleaner, add 2 tablespoons of liquid dish soap to your spray bottle and then add 2 cups of water, slowly so you don't produce a bunch of suds. Then give it a swirl to mix it. Dish soap is perfect for an all-purpose cleaner because it has cleaning power and degreasing power. I keep 1 bottle of my all-purpose cleaner in my cleaning caddy, but I also keep one under the kitchen sink just to do some spot cleaning throughout the week, but also to spray on pans if they have hard stuck on food. And so they soak for a few minutes and then it just comes off super easy. And can you believe that 1 bottle of the all-purpose cleaner costs less than 15 cents? I also use the liquid dish soap in my mop water, just 1 teaspoon in a bucket of water, and it will clean your floors great. For glass cleaner, combine equal parts of vinegar and water in a spray bottle. If you prefer commercial glass cleaner, did you know you can dilute the glass cleaner and still get perfect results? Pour about 2 inches of the cleaner in the bottom of a spray bottle and then top it up with water. And you will have an effective glass cleaner for a fraction of the cost. When you need a mild abrasive, baking soda works great. I use it to scrub my kitchen sinks. Now, household bleach is a disinfectant and it kills bacteria, viruses, and fungi. In our homes, we really don't need to have everything sanitized all the time. But there are times that you need to disinfect things, like your kitchen counters or cutting boards. And household bleach will kill mildew and keep it from coming back again. To use bleach in your home, mix 1 teaspoon of bleach to 1 cup of water. And only mix what you need to use at one time. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, once bleach is mixed with water, it only has its disinfecting power for 24 hours. It is important not to combine cleaning products. Combining chlorine bleach with ammonia or other acidic products produces deadly fumes. And I know lots of people like to use a dish soap, vinegar, and water solution for their all-purpose cleaner. But dish soap is an alkaline product and vinegar is acidic. So if you combine the two, you actually neutralize the cleaning power of each. So it's really important to keep them separate. So go ahead and make your own cleaning supplies and save money while you're at it. And please subscribe to my channel for more helpful household tips. For Homemaking Jewels, this is Julia Stewart, simply making your house your home.